do one more for you tonight. It's been wonderful being here. I tell you, I enjoy it every time I get around a bunch of God's children, and especially gospel singers. Say, well, boy, ain't you crazy? You know, a lot of people get kind of nervous and all, but I've sung with so many groups, honey, I ain't no way I can get nervous. Now, Andy gets me nervous on the radio. Yeah, these days over and makes faces at me. Brother Bill Russell comes over and makes faces at me. I put the wrong switch every once in a while. I'll put the wrong group on every once in a while. But still, I enjoy it. I enjoy every bit of it. I like to do this with my mother-in-law sitting back at the back and make heart. This song is a song that I learned a long, long time ago. It's about a young minister that wrote about his mother. The name of it is I Want to See Jesus Because He Died for Me. I had a brother-in-law that went to be with Jesus a few years ago. This is one of his favorite songs. On his tombstone today is the words, I wanted to see Jesus, or he wanted to see Jesus. How many of you want to see Jesus more than anything in heaven? Now I know we've got mansions built for us there, and I know that one day after a while we'll walk down the streets up here go. We ain't gonna be in no shoes either, I don't believe that. I believe our tender feet will touch streets up here go. I've got a mother that's been gone about 8 years. I don't know what I'm going to do either. You better give me a hand help here, girl. Well, I know it, but hey, let's do Jesus getting us ready for that great. That's a good one. Yeah, I like this one. I'll get James going here in a minute. Jesus getting us ready for that great day. Jesus getting us ready for that great day. Jesus getting us ready for that great day. We shall be able to stand. Jesus getting us ready for that great day. Jesus getting us ready for that great day. Jesus getting us ready for that great day. We shall be able to stand. Well, there's gonna be a killing on that great day. Oh my, what a killing on that great day. There's gonna be a killing on that great day. We shall be able to stand. Jesus getting us ready for that great day. Jesus getting us ready for that great day. Jesus getting us ready for that great day. We shall be able to stand. Well, the saints will rock the middle on that great day. The saints will rock the middle on that great day. The saints will rock the middle on that great day. We shall be able to stand. Jesus getting us ready for that great day. Jesus getting us ready for that big glorious day. Jesus getting us ready for that great day. We shall be able to stand. We shall be able to stand. I tell you what, I thank Jesus tonight for this wonderful opportunity to come up and sing with all you fine folks. And I'm looking forward to singing again real soon down toward Farragut High. And if you don't mind me making one commercial, our brother LC. Okay. Now we want to remind all the groups that on November the 7th down at the Lonsdale Baptist Church, that's on the first Monday in November. We want you to come on over and be with us. We ask all the group leaders to be there about 7. Everybody else come on in at 7 or 7:30. And it's what we call the East Tennessee Gospel Music Guild. It's not no association. It's not no thing to take everybody's money or play competition with anybody, honey. This is a good thing, and it's for every group, vocalist, musician. Okay? So it's November the 7th, first Monday of November. Come on, Elsie.